So in this video we are going to see Legendre's linear differential equation and how to solve the Legendre's linear differential equation. So the Legendre's linear differential equation is given in this form: k naught into ax plus b raised to n dny by dxn plus and so on up to k and y is equal to f of x, where of course k naught, k1, kn, all these are constants. This f of x is of course a function of x. Now we are going to see how we have to solve this Legendre's linear differential equation. So for this we have to make one substitution. Let ax plus b is equal to e raised to t. So this implies that t is equal to log of ax plus b. Now we will find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, we will write this as dy by dt into dt by dx. So this is equal to dy by dt into a upon ax plus b. So we are differentiating this t with respect to x. So derivative of log of ax plus b is a divided by ax plus b. Okay, this implies that ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to a into dy by dt, and this we will write it as a into, using the d operator, dy, where d is nothing but d by dt. So what have we done? We have got ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to a into dy. So similarly we can find that ax plus b whole square d2y by dx square is equal to a square d into d minus 1 y. Likewise we can get ax plus b whole cube d cube y by dx cube is equal to a cube d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y, and so on. So what we have to do is we have to use these substitutions in the given Legendre's linear differential equations. Then this particular differential equation will get converted to the linear differential equation form, and then we have to solve it as usual by finding the CF and the PI. Now we shall see the supporting example for Legendre's linear differential equation. So this is the example which has been given to us. First of all, we are going to use the conversion. Put 3x plus 2 is equal to e raised to t. So just go back to the previous section in the video where we had discussed how to convert the Legendre's linear differential equation to the linear differential equation form. So after you substitute this, you will get t is equal to log of 3x plus 2, and then 3x plus 2 dy by dx is equal to 3 dy. Again, just go back to the previous section in the video where you will see how the conversion of the Legendre's linear differential equation is being done. Similarly, 3x plus 2 whole square d2y by dx square is equal to 3 square into d minus 1 into y. Now we will see about the RHS, because that also has to be converted since we have put 3x plus 2 is equal to e raised to t. So in the given sum, the RHS is 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So we will write like this: 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3 into bracket 9x square plus 12x plus 3. And then we can further write this as 1 upon 3 into bracket 3x plus 2 whole square minus 1. So this will give us 1 upon 3 e raised to 2t minus 1. So therefore now the entire sum which was given to us can be rewritten in this form: 9d into d minus 1 plus 9d minus 36 y is equal to 1 by 3 e raised to 2t minus 1. So in this manner what we have done is we have converted the Legendre's linear differential equation which was given to us to the linear differential equation form. So now we have to solve this equation in the usual way and find the CF and the PI. So if we simplify this expression, what we are going to get? We will get 9 into d square minus 4 y is equal to 1 upon 3 e raised to 2t minus 1. And now this equation can be solved by using the CF and the PI. Again, you are advised to go back to the videos on finding out the CF and the PI. So in this particular video, what we are doing, we are seeing the Legendre's linear differential equation. We have just seen how to convert the Legendre's linear differential equation to the linear differential equation form. And now we are going to find the CF and the PI for this particular equation. So once again we will write the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is 9 into m square minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore this implies m is equal to plus or minus 2. So the roots are real and distinct. So CF is equal to C1 e raised to minus 2t plus C2 e raised to 2t. So we have found out the CF in terms of t. Now we will just reconvert from t to x once again. So C1 divided by 3x plus 2 whole square plus C2 into 3x plus 2 whole square, because our substitution was 3x plus 2 is equal to e raised to t. So accordingly we have now reconverted from t to x. So this is the required CF. Now we will find the PI. So PI is given by 1 upon ft f of x. Again, once it is suggested that you go back to the video on linear differential equations with constant coefficients to find the particular integral. Now this is equal to 1 upon 9 d square minus 4. This is the value of fd, and the right hand side was 1 upon 3 e raised to 2t minus 1. This was the RHS. So we will write this as 1 upon 27 into bracket 1 upon d square minus 4 operate on e raised to 2t minus 1 upon d square minus 4. Now here we have 1, so this we will write as e raised to 0t. So this is equal to 1 upon 27 into bracket 1 divided by, we are going to use the formula for e raised to ax. So if we substitute over here the value of d as 2, then this term will become 0. So in that case we have to use the formula when this f of d is equal to 0, f of a is equal to 0. That means after we substitute the value of a in place of d. In this particular example over here which we are doing, the value of a is 2. So if you put 2 over here, this becomes 4 minus 4, that is 0. So it is a case for the failed value. So therefore in this particular case, the particular integral is going to be given by what? T to f dash 2 e raised to 2t. And in the second term, of course, we are going to put 0 over here in place of d. So 0 minus 4, and over here is e raised to 0t is of course 1. So this is 1. So this is equal to, now f dash 2 we are talking about. So that means first we will differentiate this. So derivative of this part is 2d. So f dash 2 will be 2 into 2. So 1 upon 27 into bracket t into e raised to 2t divided by, remember this is 2d. So f dash 2 will be 2 into 2 minus plus. So here we will have 1 by 4. So therefore the particular integral will be 1 upon 27 into bracket t by 4 into e raised to 2t plus 1 upon 4. So this is equal to 1 by 27 into bracket. Now the value of t is log of 3x plus 2. So we'll write this as log of 3x plus 2 divided by 4. Now e raised to 2t. So e raised to 2t will be 3x plus 2 whole square plus 1 upon 4. So we can just make one more simplification as such. What we can write is, this is equal to 1 upon 108. Just we have multiplied this 27 into 4 over here and again 27 into 4 over here. So 1 upon 108 into bracket we will write 3x plus 2 whole square into log of 3x plus 2 plus 1, and that is the pi. So we have found both the CF and the pi, and now what you have to do, you just have to add the two. So y is equal to CF plus pi, that will give you the complete solution. So you just look at the CF value which was found earlier. This is the pi value. So adding both of them will give you the complete solution of this Legendre's linear differential equation. So in today's video, we have seen what is the Legendre's linear equation. Then we have seen one example of how to solve the Legendre's linear differential equation. Now for practice, you can solve this example. X plus 1 square d to y by dx square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 times sine of log of x plus 1, where x is greater than 1. Okay, so this is the practice for you on the Legendre's linear differential equation.